divide lang to because before we already deployed, but now we are intensifying deployment of our assets, different units of the Maritime Security Law Enforcement Command to the different Coast Guard districts of the Philippine Coast Guard. Initially, we are deploying 6, and but we will cover the other districts. We have identified these 6 critical districts first, so that we could augment and intensify our fight against human trafficking, drug smuggling, arms smuggling, and other maritime infringement inside the territorial jurisdiction of our municipalities in this area.
Hindi magkasya 16 ko ba?